Today we're going to be getting into the second combos of level 2.2. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into a second set of combos for level 2.2, which involve using a skip transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your first set of combos which use a vanish transition. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So skip transition is basically a vanish transition, but it's broken. So you're going to be landing with leg 1 followed by leg 2, making an adjustment, and then taking off with leg 1 followed by leg 2. So the first combo that we're going to do is a transformer to a transformer. So you're going to do your first transformer and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around into your second transformer. Second combo is going to be a cartwheel to a cartwheel. So you're going to do your first cartwheel and finish in a backside stance. And from there, you're going to step around into your second cartwheel. Third combo is going to be a master scoot to a master scoot. So you're going to do your first master scoot and follow through to a frontside stance. From there, you're going to step around and take off into your second master scoot. And the last combo is going to be a hand swipe to a hand swipe. So you're going to do your first hand swipe and follow through all the way around to a frontside stance. From there, you're going to step around into your second hand swipe. So when you do these combos, always remember to take off on your toes and land on your toes when you land. Make sure to keep your arms up by your ears and make sure that you're pushing through your shoulders rather than just locking your arms out, otherwise you will hurt your elbow. And always try to make sure that you're keeping your eyes open the entire time you're doing these moves or combos. Also, if you're having a little bit of trouble with this transition, I recommend you watch this video because that will help you out a little bit. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It means a lot to have a group of you guys that are just down to support me as much as you do. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into the third set of combos which use a reversal transition to do. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.